Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently I have got so many DMs asking about my skin. So as you guys know that I have an acne prone skin. I used to have acne, but it's been like 15-20 days that I've been following a different skincare regime. I'm going to show you today what all I do before I leave for work. So stay tuned. So the first step that I don't miss is of course using a facial cleanser. Now this is a facial cleanser by Wow. It's a foam based facial cleanser. Two pumps for me works really well. And then you need to gently clean your skin with the help of this foam. Use it for around 20 to 30 seconds and then wash off. Now the next step involves exfoliating of your skin. So I'm just going to exfoliate my skin with the help of this Wow exfoliating gel. Massaging it gently all over my skin. Just do this for around 10 seconds and then wash your face again. Last step involves applying serum on your face. So I'm going to use the Wow hydrating serum. I'm going to concentrate on those areas where I have more acne. Gently massage it for 2 to 3 seconds. I wouldn't recommend using serum on a daily basis because in winters it tends to dry out your skin. Gently massage it and then wash your skin again. After using all the 3 products, I definitely feel so good about my skin. It is much better now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.